লাইন দিয়ে লোক প্রবেশ করছেন। হল ঘরে এত লোক কিসের? তাও আবার করোনা সংক্রমণ নিয়ে উদ্বেগের সময়। উদ্বেগ নয়, এখানে উপশমের জন্য এত ভিড়। সকলেই করোনা রোধে টিকা নিতে এসেছেন। সারা দিনে 40,000 মানুষ এখান থেকে টিকা গ্রহণ করেছেন। একদিনে 40,000 মানুষের টিকাকরণ করে এক প্রকার নজির গড়েছেন উদ্যোক্তারা। হায়দ্রাবাদে হচ্ছে এই টিকাকরণ কর্মসূচি। টিকা গ্রহণের পর সাধারণ মানুষ বলছেন,
I've been waiting to get vaccinated basically. Like you know how the slots have been very less in India right now. So this being the biggest vaccination drive has helped many people. You know that 40,000 people have participated in here. So I'm glad to be in here. I'm glad to get vaccinated basically. Like I feel safer now. And hopefully I'll get the second dose also soon. And yeah, I'm quite happy that they've taken the decision of doing it.
I'm really feeling good because like many times I have tried online. We have CoWIN website, right? There always slots are filled. Like so many times I have opened the slots and I'm not able to register there. But this Medicover vaccination drive is really a great thing. I really easily got this slot and got vaccinated.
बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम था, बहुत अच्छा किया उन्होंने, अरेंजमेंट भी बहुत अच्छा है। हमने सोचा था कि आने के पहले कितना क्राउड होगा, कैसे होगा, बट वेरी गुड, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी फाइन।
I'm feeling really good about this. I actually thank our government. They should have taken this initiative long ago, but then I'm thankful to the government that they have conducted such a large event. Really thankful for that.
আপাতত 3 রাজ্যের মানুষের জন্য এই সুযোগ। তেলেঙ্গানা, অন্ধ্রপ্রদেশ এবং মহারাষ্ট্র থেকে আসছেন যারা, তাদেরকে টিকা দেওয়া হচ্ছে। 300টি ভ্যাকসিন সেন্টার করা হয়েছে এখানে। প্রতি ঘন্টায় 10,000 মানুষকে ভ্যাকসিন দেওয়া যাচ্ছে। এত বড় উদ্যোগে কতটা সাড়া মিলেছে তা জানালেন আয়োজকরা।
So we initially thought of a 30,000 kind, but the response was overwhelming. Yesterday night itself we caused around 32,000, and today the moment we are talking is around 38,000 registrations already happened, and we think it will cross 40,000 jabs today. It has been a tremendous response from the people. Though we have slotted timings, each hour 5,000 people. The people from 8 a.m. in the morning, the people started coming here from 6. So such was the response from the people. So fortunately we have created 300 vaccination centers which could cater 10,000 to 12,000 every hour. So though we have catered to 50% of it, not even 50% of it. So if you see, most of it is hassle free, and you know there are still waiting chairs, there is no rush, there is nothing. You don't come up with anything either to pay or register or you know some document to be verified. Just a QR code, it's scanned, you come in, get the job and go.
Stuck to government, and you know we can't just expect everything from government. Such an unprecedented scenario which no one thought you know it will occur. So in these situations everyone has to come forward. Private, public, every institution should come forward and they have to do their role.
বিষয়টিকে এখনো পর্যন্ত বিশ্বের সবথেকে বড় টিকাকরণ কর্মসূচি হিসেবেই দেখছেন এখানকার সদস্যরা।
This is world's largest vaccination drive, almost like a festivity atmosphere that we are witnessing here today. Cyberabad Security Council, Cyberabad Police and Medicover Hospitals came together to organize this mega vaccination drive. And since morning it has been pretty smooth experience for all the citizens who are getting vaccinated here. Every minute, every second as we see, you know, one vaccinated person is walking out of this hall in each of the hangars, which means about 3,600 people get vaccinated in an hour from each hall. We have 3 halls set up here with 200 counters in each. That means 300 counters are there. And as sir just explained, we have about 37,000 who have pre-registered for this event. So the entire experience has been set up in such a way that we have used technology. It is a pre-registered, prepaid drive. So when citizens come here for vaccination, they don't have to wait.
টিকার হাহাকারের মধ্যেও বেশ কিছু ঘটনা ইতিবাচক বার্তা দেয়। তেমন একটি ঘটল ভুবনেশ্বরে। আশ্রয়হীন ভবঘুরেদের টিকা প্রদান করা হলো। ভুবনেশ্বর মিউনিসিপ্যাল কর্পোরেশনের উদ্যোগে সেখানকার ভবঘুরেদের টিকা প্রদান করা হয়। সকলেরই বয়স 45-এর ঊর্ধ্বে।
We have 2 shelters for urban homeless which have been we have conducted the vaccination camp today. Total number of people who are to be vaccinated is 72 in these 2 centers, and More specifically, these people do not have any ID proof with them. They have been living in our shelters for urban homeless. So as per the mandate of the government, people without any ID proof, they need to create a special session in CoWIN app, based on which we will be entering the details of the caretaker as their ID proof for all, and in one single number we will be registering all these participants. All these 72 participants will be vaccinated today.
একদিকে টিকাকরণে বিশ্ব রেকর্ডের হাতছানি, পাশাপাশি উপযুক্ত নথি নেই যাদের, তারাও পাচ্ছেন টিকা, যা সত্যিই টিকাকরণের জন্য বাড়তি উৎসাহ যোগায় বৈকি। অন্যদিকে রাঁচিতে পর্যাপ্ত ডোজের অভাবে মিলল না টিকা, সেই ছবিও ধরা পড়ল ক্যামেরায়।
18 प्लस वाला आज नहीं पड़ रहा।
नहीं, आज यहाँ पे 18 प्लस के लिए नहीं, आज यहाँ पे 45 प्लस के लिए।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, कलकत्ता टेलीविजन नेटवर्क।